Hi guys, welcome back to another review. This time it's on this generator. I'm not even going to try and say that. I have used this already, and it's not a pure sine wave generator. So in other words, lights flicker and stuff like that. The last video you've seen, which was a pure sine wave inverter, that's better for your technology to charge things up and whatnot. But this was only 200 odd quid, so it wasn't too bad, and it's good to have around, let's face it. You can see it's already been out because how rusty it is. That exhaust is absolutely bloody ridiculous. It's like off a scooter, not even kidding you. But generally, it's not too bad. For a cheap generator, it's not too bad at all. I did look up to see what it was like. The reviews are actually pretty good on it. You had some people complaining that, or one person complaining that it wouldn't power stuff what it's rated for, but it's like, well, no. You need a higher generator than that. This is meant to be a 7 horsepower, but again, I don't know how true that is. I've just turned the fuel on, so there is a little bit of fuel left in it. I don't want to say it's a 7 horsepower on this. On this side here, you've got your on-off switch. You've got your volts meter. You've got all this. So max output is 2.8 kilowatts, which is I can't remember what it was. I don't think it is that, to be honest. Yeah. 220 volts, 50 hertz. Rated output. You've got your switch here for obviously your volts, and then you've got these here. These are not what you'd normally see on a generator. These are your UK household sockets. Normally you would have other sort, like water resistant ones. You've got a fuse here, and you've also got, obviously you've got your ground bit there. You've also got these, which is for charging up batteries maybe, or running 12 volt appliances and stuff like that. That comes in handy quite a bit, actually, more than you think. You've got your generator part there. Why do you seem zoomed in? You're not. You've got your generator part there, and you've actually got your motor part here. Like I said, I've already had this running, I've already used it and stuff like that, so it should still be pretty clean, which it is. It's not too bad. It powers, let's have a look at this. My compressor is 1,500 kilowatts, okay? 2 horsepower, oh, you can't see it, okay? 230 volts, single phase, 50 hertz. This here is 2.5 rated, max 2.8, okay? 1.5, so you think it would power that absolutely fine, easy, which it does. It not only powers that, but let me take you somewhere. As you can see here, these are halogen lights. Anyone that's ever had halogen lights, you know what they're like to power. They use a fair bit of electric. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. As you know, they use up a fair bit of electric, like a lot. The generator has no problem powering that, or these lights, these 8 lights, as well as my compressor. It actually handles it really, really well. So let's go start and we'll see what it's like. I'm actually stuck knowing where to stick you guys, so I'm going to have to stick you there for a minute. It is meant to be pretty easy to start up. I don't know if it's just because of the angle that I was at when I was doing it, but we'll see. So as you can see, and here, it's actually not too loud, it's quite quiet. And it's quite smooth running, to be honest. It's not bad at all. So I'm going to start, just turn the power on. plug my compressor in, and you will see it handles it not too bad at all. Need to empty some air out because we're a bit full up here at the moment. Wrong fitting, I know, but it works, so it's alright. Right, so let's see what happens. I'd actually say my compressor is probably louder than the generator. So yeah, as you can see guys, it runs it absolutely fantastic. It's brilliant. I have no complaints whatsoever about that. So yeah, would I recommend this generator? Yeah and no. If you want a cheap generator that's not pure sine wave, then fine, yeah. But expect it to like not be any good for your equipment. This, not too badly, but chargers and stuff like that, it will eventually knacker it up. But like the other video guys, we'll come back to this to see what it will power and what it won't. We know it powers that, just showed you. We'll just basically keep powering stuff on. We might blow the AVR, we might not. Who knows? But yeah, like the other inverter guys, we'll come back, see what it's like for different things, and go from there. Would I recommend this generator? To be honest, I can't honestly say because I haven't had it that long. Haven't really used it for much. And that's something I would have to definitely get back to you on. But like this compressor, to be fair, Power King, never even heard of it before. I bought it, and I bought it for £100. It's a 50 litre tank, and it hasn't let me down. So it's not always that expensive, not at all. So I disagree with anyone that says it is always expensive, is always the way to go. I disagree with that. It's not. But yeah, anyway guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Sorry I haven't been getting videos out to you. I've not been well at all. Still not feeling great now. But yeah, this exhaust nicked off a scooter or something. I don't care. It works. It keeps it like sensible volume and stuff, so it's not too bad. But yeah, anyway guys, thanks so much for watching. Take it easy, and I'll catch you in the next one.